Hello coders, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topics to discuss the HTML style attribute. The HTML style attribute is a powerful tool that allows us to apply inline styles directly to our HTML elements. It gives us the ability to control the appearance of individual elements without need for external CSS file. Let's see how it works. First of all, we have to create a project like the previous one. So let's click on it, then name it part 5, and we need to create a file index.html. Okay, now create a structure. Let's create some heading. Okay, let's preview it. So go live. Yeah, this is heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. We use h1 tag for all heading. Here we have a basic HTML document with a heading element. To add some style to this heading, we can use a style attribute. The syntax is simple. Just type style followed by an equal sign, and inside the double quotes we can specify our CSS properties. Let's see an example. So here we type style tag, then we set color colon, then red. Red. Okay, let's save it and try it's working or not. Yeah, this is heading. We apply this heading, style, color, green, and here style, color, blue. Okay, let's see the preview. Yeah, that's it. We also add another attribute or CSS, font size. Let's make it 50. Yeah, Control S for save. Then yeah, heading is bigger than previous two. Keep in mind that while the HTML style attribute can be convenient for quick and simple styling, it's not recommended for complex or extensive styling for bigger projects. It's best to use external CSS for better organization and maintainability. We will describe CSS in later video, and in later video we will use style tags so that we can learn HTML in proper way. For now, that's it for today's video on the HTML style attribute. We hope you found it informative and useful. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy coding.